Very good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about what is the difference between poached egg and sunny side up egg. Both are very important eggs to order preparation during the breakfast. Both are very famous and we all know. But what all are the difference in between poached egg and sunny side up? Very good comment, Mr. Sahu. So Mr. Sahu has commented what are the difference between both of them. So I am going to clarify regarding poached egg and sunny side up. So basically a poached egg is an egg that has been cooked by gently simmering into the water without its shell. The egg white is set but tender and very soft. The yolk remain runny and very rich. It's usually cooked in simmering water. So we will see how to make poached egg. Nothing to do, just 2 to 3 inch deep water you take in a pan and heat it until unless it simmers. Okay, add a little vinegar into the water and crack an egg into a small bowl and stir the water, okay, to make a gentle whirl on it. Cook the egg for 2.5 to 4 minutes only, not more than that. And how you want the eggs runny and you want the yolk will be very runny, remove the water or remove the egg with a spoon, okay, and keep it in a paper towel. Okay, basically the poached egg used with English muffin, served with English muffin and used in egg benedict, which is more famous eggs to order preparation, eggs benedict, where we used to use the poached egg, popular in healthy breakfast. Why? Because it has very low fat and we are not using any oil at all, no butter. That's why it's very healthy. So this is how we used to make the poached egg. So now what is a sunny side up? Sunny side up egg is a type of fried egg that has cooked on only one side without flipping. So the yolk remain visible, runny and bright. Yellow will be there, same like a sun. So egg white will be fully cooked and it will be soft at the edges. Yolk will be very raw and it will be slightly set, not broken or flipped. Okay, it has bright sunny yolk on top, hence the name is sunny side up. So now how we are going to make the sunny side up? Just heat a pan, okay, the stick pan, okay, in a low medium heat and little butter or oil add into the pan and crack a egg gently into the pan without breaking the yolk. Okay, cook very slowly without flipping the egg for 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, over with a lid for a few seconds. If you want to the egg white to set more fully white, keeping the yolk very runny. Okay, and you can top you can put some salt and pepper while you are serving. So basically we are using the egg white, we are serving with toast hash brown, we are serving with the sunny side up, okay, and we are used in a rice bowl or with the burger we used to use the sunny side up, or top of the noodles we also use the sunny side up for adding the more taste or bring more riches on that particular dishes. So these all are the differences there between poached egg and sunny side up. Now you know what is the difference between poached egg and sunny side up. Thank you so much for watching Hospitality Desk. Kindly subscribe our channel and stay with us to learn more about hotel industry. Thank you.